Emma, can you say 1,
2. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1? What comes after 1?
Oh, that.
Okay, Patrick, she doesn't like that.
5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15.
Emma, that's amazing. Good job.
Good job.
Oh my.
Good job, Emma.
Who knew that Emma could count so far? Emma, let's try again. 1.
No. Don't.
Don't? Here we go, Emma. Come here. 1. Oh my. Wait, by the way, what are y'all doing in the closet?
We're feeding babies.
Oh, really? In the closet?
Yeah, they like to be fed in the closet with no door closed. And some even like to be thrown into a corner.
Oh my. Who's throwing them in the corner?
Their mom.
Oh, I see. Are you doing that? Where's Emma? Oops. Dear me, that's not the way we care for our babies, is it?
Yes.
Oh my.
You don't kill your babies like that. Throw them into cargo. What is this soup for?
Who is it for? It's for Emma when she gets bigger.
I put it on.
Where's Bucky, Emma?
This fits me.
Emma?
Fits me, Mama.
Emma, that's the one Patrick had. You get yours.